Alright, so it's Kiara here, obviously. And today's Monday, and this week me and Kenzie have a dance in our school called Jack Frost. Kind of like a prom for middle schoolers. It's really, really cool. This is our first year going, so we're really, really excited. It's Friday, today's Monday. I think I already said that, but whatever. Yeah, and so she's not here yet. She's probably gonna be coming over like Wednesday or Thursday. And so I'm just making a video telling you guys that we don't really know what a hair is gonna look like and nails and stuff like that. So we were wondering if maybe you could follow me, because she doesn't really have one. Follow me on Tumblr and Instagram. I think my Tumblr is like KKBaby102 or something like that. I don't really know. I'll put it in the description box. And then my Instagram, KKBaby13, I think. I'll put it in the description box also. Yeah, we just need some help. I will show you to post pictures. We already have our dresses picked out. We got that a while ago. Yeah, so we'll make another video Wednesday, and then we'll make one when we're all dolled up on Friday, which my aunt will be here doing our hair, but we don't know what we're doing yet. And our makeup and stuff. She's really, really good. So, yeah. Help us. Thanks. Bye.